If you're trying to connect to your Linux machine from Windows and you're using PuTTY, but during SSH you're receiving this error, network error connection timed out, then please keep on watching this video. First, click on OK, close PuTTY. Next, in your virtual machine, on the upper tab, click on Machine, click on Settings. When the Setting tab opens up, click on Network. Here, make sure it is attached to bridged adapter and then click on OK. Then stop your machine and start your machine again and try reconnecting to PuTTY. I will not be doing that for now. I'll be trying few different other methods. If your problem did not get resolved by turning into bridged adapter, go to the search bar and type settings and press enter. Click on privacy and security. Next, click on Windows security and in the section of firewall and network protection, click on that. Here, we have to disable the firewall so that we can accept incoming connection. So click on the private network here and turn this off. And now my firewall is disabled. Next, I have to restart my machine. Now, after your machine has been restarted, make sure you have the SSH service installed and started on your virtual machine. If you do not have it installed, type the command sudo apt install SSH and press enter. I already have it installed, and now start the service with the command sudo systemctl start SSH and press enter. Confirm that your service has started or not with the command sudo systemctl status SSH, and I can now see my service is active and running. Next, let's try to connect to the virtual machine again with the PuTTY. I'll first type in ifconfig and I can see my IPv4 address is 192.168.0.105. So I'll type this. Make sure port 22 is selected, connection type SSH, and then click on open, click on accept, and I can see that now I can connect to my virtual machine.